Hello friends, welcome to my channel where you get job internship updates on regular basis. Whether you are looking for a job or internship as a software engineer, data engineer, DevOps engineer, full stack developer or any other tech job while in your college, or if you are a fresher or experienced professional, this channel will help you to look out the best jobs in the market. So today I have brought you a great opportunity from Swiggy, which is hiring for associate software development engineer role, and they are hiring for fresher as well as 2 year experienced professional. So it is a remote first job. So you will be working remotely from your home or anywhere else all over the India. And here employees will have the freedom to work remotely throughout the year. However, you have to meet for a 1 week session once every quarter. So for after every 4 months, you have to go to the location that the company will be telling you that you have to work for at least 1 week at the location. If I talk about the position that they are looking for, so they are seeking for highly motivated individuals who have done their engineerings and are eager to participate in their software development engineers team. And as a software engineer developer, there you will have the opportunity to work alongside their experienced engineers who will contribute to the design, development, and implementation of cutting edge backend systems. So, somewhat you have to work on the backend of the Swiggy. After getting this job, should get hands on experience with technologies like Java, Go, Elastic Cache, Elasticsearch, Kafka, SQS, DynamoDB, and other innovative tools. So, it is a great position also that have so much technologies to learn, and they are a startup. They are offering you a great and vast things here. So as a software developer, you have to collaborate with cross functional teams that design, develop, and maintain scalable backend systems also, and write high quality maintainable code in Java. So here they are asking from the individuals that they should have coding experience in Java or Go programming languages, and I have told, and all the other things are mentioned over here. I have told also, and the qualities, or we can say who are the persons that will be fit or qualified for this job role. They are a 2024 or 2025 graduate from BTech in computer science and engineering, or a software engineer or in related field. So if you are in from electronics also department and you have knowledge of these technologies that they are asking, like Java programming, Elastic Cache, Dynamo database. So if you know these technologies, even though you have done your BTech from another stream other than computer science or software engineer, you are qualified for this. Moreover, you have to mention your projects and experience in your resume so that your resume shortlisting can be done. You should also have a strong programming skills in Java or Go, because here they are only asking for Java backend developer, I can say. And you should have knowledge of cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, GCP, and version control systems like Git and GitHub. So you can apply for this job role if you are qualified enough for this. And the apply link I have, the apply link I have mentioned in the description. You can go there and check out the apply link and click the apply button mentioned in the website. Another opportunity that I have brought you is of software engineer one, which is done by Honeywell. So Honeywell is hiring for software engineer and location is at Bangalore. So it is a great opportunity also. And for the students or a recent graduate, if you want to start your career as a software engineer, so Honeywell is the best company to start your career with. And you can see the roles and responsibilities here. They have mentioned about that you have to develop and maintain software application over this job, and you have to collaborate and with cross-functional team to deliver high quality software solutions, design and implement software solution, troubleshoot and debug also, conduct code reviews and ensure adherence to coding standards. So these are the responsibilities that they are seeking in the individuals they are looking for. What are the qualification if we talk about that they are looking for is the bachelor's degree from a curated institutional in a technical discipline such as science, technology, engineering, or mathematics. So if you have done any bachelor's degree in these fields, you are well qualified for this job role. Moreover, you should have experience in software development. So if you have internship also, done internship in your college days also, you are more than eligible for this job role. And but you should have a great programming language understanding in Java, C Sharp, or Python. So these are the main components of software engineer that the Honeywell is looking for. That they should have proficiency in Java, Python, or C Sharp. If you talk about the preferences that they will give, is that they will give preferences to the advanced degrees in computer science or related fields. Like if anyone has done MTech also, they will get preference in this job. If they are having experience with software development also, like internship or 1 to 2 year job also, they are they will be preferred more. And you should have strong problem solving and analytical skills. If we talk about the location, so here is the location that at Bangalore they are hiring, and relocation will be not provided. So if you are if you are reallocating, then they will not provide any compensation for this. They have mentioned here. And so for both job roles, for Swiggy as well as Honeywell, you can create a resume of software engineer and mention the skills, because they both are asking for the similar skills from the candidate that they are looking for. So by one resume you can fill these both resume. The link for apply is in the description. Go and check out the description and hit the apply button over the redirected site. For more job updates, what you can do is you can subscribe to my channel and share this video for your software engineer friends who are seeking roles in tech field, whether they are fresher or a recent graduate or are having experience in tech field. Till then, take care and have a good day.